part 1 is February 16th, 2023. I'm going to read the pencil text really quickly here. Also note there are, I think, if I counted correctly, 26 pieces of collaged on hard copy printed wordage from mailings and handouts and whatever from KAISERR-PERMINentay. So we have there's a mix of upper and lower case and intentionally misspelled with some of it. And intentionally upper and lower case incorrectly. English teachers would not approve. We have KAISERR with 3 R's dash PERMINentay, PERMINentay of Washington. Online and hard copy graphic dash text design, eye-bleechy exclamation. DES will be a drawing of an eye instead of the letter I. C-not C monster, spelled SCA as opposed to SEE. Here we have February 16, 2023. In the news, U.S. Naval, spelled N-A-V-E-L, and Coast Guard alert USO sighted in Puget Sound, Puget spelled P-H-E-W-G-E-T. Unidentified submarine sandwich is raw. The fishy beastie has vision harmful, light value, low contrast, non-bold type, I-D signage. And there's 5 sea beasts at the bottom here. This one says radiology, this one says president, this one says pharmacy, this one says website, where there will be a drawing of an eye instead of a letter I, and family practice. All right, there you have it. To be continued. I'll be going over this in ink, colored pencil, gouache, watercolor.